In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add text on TikTok. Okay, so to create a TikTok, all you need to do is tap on the plus icon in the bottom there in the middle of the screen. And then I'll just go ahead and record something real quick. And once you're done recording, you tap on the tick mark there on the right hand side. That's going to take you to the editing screen. And as you can see at the bottom, there's a couple of options: sounds, effects, and then text. You want to go ahead and tap on text and you can type out something. Now I've typed out something and you have various options as what you can do with the text. You can change the font. You have various fonts that you can choose from. You can change the color to any color that you would like. And another thing that you can do is you can resize it and position it however you want it. Now, if you also go ahead and press on the text, you have the option to set the duration. So if I tap on set duration and I only want it in this specific section, you can go ahead and create the duration for your text. So it will disappear, then appear. And then once you're done, you just tap on next, go to the posting process, and then post that to your TikTok. So that is how you add text on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.